Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to block ads on your Android phone without using any third-party apps. Let's get started. Ads can be really annoying, especially when they interrupt your browsing or gaming experience. But don't worry, there's a way to reduce or even block these ads without installing any additional apps. Here are some methods you can try. First, let's adjust your browser settings. If you use Chrome or another browser, you can enable the built-in ad blocker. Open your Chrome browser. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Then tap on Ads. And make sure it's set to block. By blocking ads in your browser settings, you can prevent most pop-up and intrusive ads while browsing. Next, you can set up a private DNS. This method can block ads across the entire device, not just in the browser. Open your phone settings. Go to Network and Internet or Connections. Then go to Private DNS or VPN. And select private DNS provider hostname, or you can simply add VPN network. Using a private DNS can block ads on website and in some apps, providing a smoother experience. And there you have it, 2 methods to block ads on your Android phone without using any apps. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.